Dear students, welcome to NRS YouTube channel. Students, in the previous class we discussed regarding two very important commands. One is save command and another one is save as command. So in the save command we discussed how to save the file, why we should save the file, and while you are saving the file, what are the procedure we have to carry out, right, regarding the file name, file type. So that we discussed, and in the last class we discussed regarding save as. So save as you already know that the save as is used to make another copy without disturbing the main copy, right? So that is save as command. So today we'll see regarding the text editing. Okay, so what is the meaning of editing, how to edit the text what you have already entered in your working area in Microsoft Word. So in text editing, so first of all, what we call it as an editing. So editing refers to making some changes. So right, so suppose editing, it has so many circumstances. Like suppose if you have already entered some text in the Microsoft Word, you need to change some text. With changing this is nothing but editing, and so changing means what kind of change we can make in Microsoft Word document. So changing, like, suppose if you enter the text, if you want to make change the color of the text or the style of the text, or if you want to make the size of the text, right? So this is all comes under editing, and especially it comes under in formatting. Okay, so formatting the text, so that is one kind of editing we have. So in another type, like suppose if you did some mistakes while you are typing, whether it is a spelling mistake or a grammar mistake, whether it is making the paragraph, if you did some mistakes, so that is also comes under in editing. So overall it is, whenever you create the document, so before go for the report, you have to edit it, right? So the editing, it reduce the the errors in the report, right? So how to edit? It's a very simple. With the help of keyboard and mouse, the editing process will be very easy. Okay, so look at the screen, students. So here I will enter some text, right? With the help of keyboard you can type the text. Right, so here I have typed something, our school name I have typed over here. Okay, so now here something I have typed. Now you can save this file and you can edit it. So how to edit? So as already I told you, right, so editing refers to, it may be any kind of, whether it is to come to the formatting process or to reduce the errors like spelling mistake or grammatical mistake, anything. So both comes under editing. So here what we'll do, I want to make an editing called, I want to add some text in between the that text what I have entered, right? So here I have entered Sri B.T. Patil Memorial, Nandi International School. So here I need to enter, right? So I need to enter the residential word in between the international and school, right? So how to do that one? So with the help of that mouse, right? So whenever you move the mouse, the cursor will be moved. So look at the screen, students. So there, after the school, you have one blinking line, vertical line. So that blinking vertical line, we call it as, that is cursor. That is a cursor, or we also call it as insertion point. What we call it as a insertion point. So what is the use of insertion point? So the name itself says that insertion point, wherever you have inserted insertion point, from that position only the typing will be start, right? Wherever it is in the Word document or in the working place, when where you have that insertion point, from that place the typing will be start. Okay, suppose right now I have point here, so I'll make a little bit bigger, right? So right now the point is here. If I take the pointer over here, right, so you can type. So where you have the pointer, from that place the typing will be start, right? So this is called the pointer. So next is editing. Come to the point of editing. So in between the international and school, here I need to enter the what residential word, right? So how to enter that word in between that after the international word, international? So it means you have to take your mouse, or you can use keyboard also, right? So right now I will use the keyboard. You can just observe, take the cursor over here, or you have one more option, that is with the help of mouse you can just click on the place where you want to insert the text, click, right? So now you can type residential, right? So this is how you can make enter the text, right? So this is one part of text editing. So in another part of text editing we have regarding the formatting. So regarding that we'll see in the next class. Thank you.